పండి వార్చుతున్న సమాజంలో మనం ఉన్నాం. ఎవరికి ఏమి నచ్చితే అదే వార్త, ఇష్టమైందే డిబేట్. తెలుగు మీడియా క్లిష్టంగా మారుతున్న ప్రస్తుత తరుణంలో నిఖార్సైన మీడియా కోసం జనం ఎదురు చూస్తూనే ఉన్నారు. అలాంటి మీడియా వస్తే ఓన్ చేసుకోవడానికి తెలుగు ప్రజలు ఎప్పుడూ ముందుంటారు. ఇప్పుడు మార్కెట్ పరిస్థితుల్లో అలా న్యూస్ ఛానల్స్ ను నడిపించాలంటే అందుకు నేర్పు ఎంతో అవసరం.
Please join me in extending a colossal welcome to our true torchbearer of urban planning and development, Shri Sarfaraz Ahmad Garu, IAS Metropolitan Commissioner, HMDA. Come on, make some noise, everyone who's sitting down here. I would even request Mr. Tarak Garu from HRA to please join me on this stage. And I would request, sir, if you can please welcome sir with a bouquet. Can we all put our hands together and welcome sir, please? Thank you so much. So we all are waiting to hear from you about the 4 corners of Hyderabad, the pivotal topic probably, which we all have been waiting. I want everyone, please put your hands together for Sarfaraz sir, please.
వేదిక మీద ఉన్న పెద్దలందరికీ, లక్ష్మి గారికి, విజయసాయి మేక గారికి, అట్లాగే ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన బిల్డర్స్, డెవలపర్స్, రియల్ ఎస్టేట్ కంపెనీ ఓనర్స్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీబడి ఇన్ దిస్ హాల్, a very good morning to all of you. ఇప్పుడు all of you are part of the real estate sector, and the fact that all of you are here today probably in some sense also reflects about the confidence that you have in the fact that real estate will continue to grow. So otherwise you would not be in the real estate sector if you didn't see growth in the sector. So all of us see growth for ourselves. So I'll start with the premise of growth, and it is basically I had talked at the NAREDCO National Summit some time back, and it is my privilege to once again be addressing the NAREDCO Summit here in Hyderabad as well. So in the NAREDCO Summit in Delhi, what I had said was that Hyderabad has been a phenomenal growth story. I will basically continue from what CS sir also just mentioned about how the revenue from registrations has grown from around 3,000 crores to 15,000 crores now. However, I would talk about my own experience as an outsider. I am new to Hyderabad. The first time I came to Hyderabad, actually, so Hyderabad was one of the major cities of the country, but as a child, as a student, I never visited Hyderabad. I'll be very blunt and honest about it. The first time I set foot on the city was after I got selected in the services and got allotted to this cadre, and I came here to start my training. So that was the first step that I took in the city. However, my exposure is because my close friend and roommate, Mr. Karthikeya Mishra, who is now Secretary to the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, he was my roommate in the academy, and his father was in the forest service of Telangana AP cadre. And when the cadres and all came, then people would discuss, bhai kaisi jagah hai, kya hai, kya nahi. So, and he would say so he I think came to Telangana in 91, 92, and in 2000, and this conversation is happening in 2010, 11, yes. So, and that time he would say that 91 Hyderabad, and he is also from Lucknow. So that is also one of the things which linked us together, that both of us come from the same city. Both of us were coming to the same cadre, and that time there was no separate states were not there, so we were all coming to the same cadre as well. So, and he would say that Hyderabad was very much like Lucknow when I went in the 90s, in the early 90s. A small city, slightly expanding. Lucknow में गोमती नगर बन रहा था, यहाँ Jubilee Hills बन रहा था, that kind of a thing. But probably the similarity ended there. Post that, after that, Hyderabad took off on a very different trajectory, and it was his thing that it, like, even at that time he would say that it is growing very fast. It is a very fast growing city despite the fact that the Telangana agitation was on. So he said, he would say that it's a temporary blip and it will continue to grow. So that is my first impression of the city, and when I came here I saw the city. At that time also I don't have any understanding of the city, any knowledge of the city, but when I came, I have seen the Gachibowli to Nanak Ramgooda road, because airport se jab aap aate hain, so that is the road that you take, and it was all rocks on both sides. It was all rocks on both sides. And today when we stand, this is a thriving metropolis. So what I'm trying to say is that between the late 90s and now, let us say 94, 95, when probably this liberalization, privatization was happening at the national level and Hyderabad started opening up to IT and those things happened. In these 30